Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, I have titled it the belly button level, which I guess maybe we could refer to it as the navel if you wanted to be more technical. But I want to give you a way to remember this proportion, and it's just the idea that if you were to measure the average human from the crown of their head to their heel, the 618 retracement of that measure tends to be an important inflection point in the market, and it's where you find the belly button on most humans. So, we started with this idea on last Thursday, and I was telling you that to begin with, the level needs to be tested. So you do get a little bit of volatility during the overnight session. You trade lower in the open, but then you can see the very next move, the next daily bar that forms, goes on to complete that, and within a pretty fair degree of precision begins the reversal off of that 618 retracement. So now that we've identified this pivotal turning point in the S&P, where do we think that it could be moving lower to? Well, there's several different ways to measure it, but for this conversation, let's keep it basic and show where I would like to look to the decline that preceded the rally. So essentially this bearish move from swing high to swing low, I just want to look at that as a symmetrical kind of measurement. And given that's the only correction that I really want to look at from that slightly bigger picture point of view, I'm then going to run the retracement, that same way of looking at the 618. So this gives us two main clustered areas. I'm going to call that 39.11 down into 39.05, and then below that the 618 at 38.82. So be on the lookout for these levels down below, provided that this is not exceeded, and I think that's the way that we want to be carrying a roadmap into the end of the week. So I hope you find the technical review helpful. You guys have a good expiration, and I'll see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.